Ever wondered how to make your email stand out in a crowded inbox? One simple trick can instantly grab attention, adding an emoji to your email subject line. It's fun, it's eye-catching, and it can even boost engagement, whether you're messaging friends or sending a marketing email. Here's how to do it quickly and easily. Start by opening your email client. Gmail works perfectly, but most platforms are similar. Click the Compose button to start a new email. In the toolbar at the bottom of the email window, look for the smiley face icon. That's your emoji menu. Click it and you'll see a wide range of expressive emojis, from happy faces and thumbs up to hearts and party poppers. Pick one that fits your email's tone. Now here's the trick. To get it into your subject line, first add it to the email body. Then, highlight the emoji and copy it using Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. Move up to the subject line, click into the field, and paste it with Ctrl+V or Command+V. And just like that, your subject line now has a fun, attention-grabbing emoji. A quick tip, use emojis wisely. Sparingly and with the right audience, they add personality and approachability. Overdo it or use them in a formal context and it might feel unprofessional. With this simple trick, your emails can become more engaging and visually appealing in seconds. Try it in your next email and see the difference.